Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to prepare a simple chicken and egusi soup. Amanebira, we have different method of preparing egusi. This method is one of them. Here are the ingredients. Melon seed, crayfish powder, chicken, chili powder, onions. I'm using frozen tomato and red bell pepper. Here are the bitter leaf. You can use any vegetable of your choice. Here are the blended pepper and tomato mix. Look at the chicken, guys. I'm using vegetable oil. Where I live, red oil is difficult to get. I pour in pepper and tomato mix. I'm using hot water to soft the bitter leaf. As you can see, I fried the tomato very well. Season cube, salt. I add water to rinse the blender and I pour it into blended egusi to make a paste. You have to stir this soup frequently because egusi is not joking with burning. See the bitter leaf water. I'm not throwing bitter leaf water. You all know the healthy benefit of bitter leaf water. See, my egusi is doing well. Look at it, guys. Amanebira, we have different way of making egusi. So this one is one of them. You can try it with rice, any swallow of your choice. So if you want to know how I make this wheat, drop your comments at the comment section. Please, I beg you in the name of God, subscribe to my channel, support your friend. Please, see you in another video. Bye.